And tonight at 5, we begin with a disaster on the first day of school. Muncie bus routes were such a mess today, they had to cancel classes altogether.
Yeah, in fact, less than an hour ago, we learned that school will not start up again until next Monday, while the district tries to fix all of those problems. Now, you may know today we sent you this push alert when it actually happened.
And Kevin Rader explains the issue that has parents worried, even outraged.
Here's a sure sign something is not right on the streets of Muncie. Signs tacked up to a telephone pole at a school bus stop. Parents posted them Wednesday after experiencing long delays when many didn't know where their kids were.
And when we called the school, and they said and the bus company said they don't have them. When we called in, the check runs out. They don't have the contact with their bus drivers. You don't have cell phones for your bus drivers? How are we supposed to locate our kids and something like this?
They staged a little mini demonstration as parents worked to get answers. The financially strapped school system closed down school on Thursday to try to get the bus routes ironed out. Kids were playing, parents were steaming.
So I tried to call the school, no answer. Tried to call the bus company, no answer. Finally at 6 o'clock, they dropped him off, and we had no idea where he was. When he got home, he told us that the bus driver had no idea anywhere around here. He had to tell them how to get home.
A new bus company called Exilio submitted the low bid for the contract and ousted longtime carrier M&M, which the parents now want back, as this sign points out. A Muncie banner was taped over the Monroe County school bus that we saw checking routes on Thursday.
Like if they would have kept, M&M, they know their town. These people are coming in from Michigan and Louisiana, and you're having to ask our kids how to get to their house. It's asinine.
Now parents have little confidence that this problem will be ironed out anytime soon, which means more playtime for students.
Kevin Rader, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.
Now, this is just the latest issue for Muncie schools. They've been having such bad financial problems, the state appointed an emergency manager in June to help them get out of trouble. They've also had more than 80 teachers resign in the past school year.